How to white your teeth after one night. Hello friends. Are you worried because your teeth are not as white as everyone else's? A strong, white teeth always help me to be more confident in front of the opposite person. Try the ways below and you will be truly surprised overnight. Let's see together. 1. How to whiten teeth at home with baking soda and lemon. Baking soda is not only a way to exfoliate the face, but is also considered a panacea that can remove the yellow stains on the teeth, returning the original clean and white teeth. This is considered the most multifunctional material in beauty. The steps are very simple. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda to whiten teeth into 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a ratio of 1:1. Rinse your mouth with cold water, then dip the brush in the mixture and rub it on your teeth. Wait for the mixture to soak into your teeth for about 5 minutes and then rinse your mouth with clean water. Do not leave it for too long, because the enamel layer will be badly worn. 2. Teeth whitening with rice water. Rice water not only has the ability to whiten skin, make skin rosy, but also promote maximum effectiveness when used as a teeth whitening ingredient at home. The vitamins PP present in rice water will clean away plaque and dirt stuck in between teeth, clean teeth with decay, fight periodontitis and eliminate bad breath in the mouth. You just need to keep the water to wash the rice after each rice cooking time, then rinse your mouth with rice water and then rinse with cold water. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil gives you whiter and stronger teeth. Every morning, how about gargling with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil? Guaranteed to quickly whiten your teeth. Coconut oil not only makes hair shiny, soothes sunburned skin, but also gives you whiter and stronger teeth. Moreover, you can also rub coconut oil on your teeth. Leave it on for 45 to 60 minutes and then brush your teeth as usual. 4. Bright white teeth with apples. One of the fastest and safest ways to whiten teeth at home is apple cider vinegar. The ingredients are so easy to find, aren't they? Not only does it add iron to the body, has the effect of nourishing the liver, and fighting low blood pressure, apples are also a familiar face when it comes to whitening ingredients. No need to perform cumbersome steps, you just need to chew the apple thoroughly each time you eat to remove the plaque on your teeth. After only 2 to 3 weeks, you will see the effect that apples bring. 5. Lemon plus salt. Surely every house has lemon and salt, right? Lemon has a bleaching effect, while salt will kill bacteria, protect and firm teeth. Let's go to the kitchen, get these simple ingredients to whiten teeth quickly and simply. The steps to whiten teeth with lemon and salt are very simple. You squeeze the lemon to get the water, then mix the lemon and salt. Note, you should only mix a mixture just enough to use. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, then use a toothbrush to scrub your teeth. Finally, rinse your mouth with filtered water. Because lemon is highly acidic, you should only do it 1 to 2 times a week to avoid wearing down your teeth. But do it continuously for a long time to see noticeable results. 6. Honey. Honey contains many ingredients that help whiten teeth such as minerals such as calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium and organic substances such as folic acid, vitamins, proteins, and lactic acid. Experts also recommend honey to take care of gum problems, making gums firmer, more ruddy. You use a toothbrush to brush honey evenly on all surfaces of your teeth, so you should rub it continuously for 2 minutes. Finally, spit it out and rinse your mouth with water. Honey is also a safe solution for the mouth and body. Be assured to do it 2 to 3 times a day and persevere for about 2 weeks to see much whiter teeth. 7. Using whitening strips is an instant way to whiten teeth. Toothpaste is a product that has made headlines in recent years because of its outstanding whitening effect. Therefore, you can easily buy these teeth whitening strips in the market. The product brands you can refer to such as Vivid, Crest 3D White, Crest 3D White Luxe. Although the cost is higher than other methods, the toothpaste has the advantage of providing quick and long-lasting effects, 6 to 6 months, 1 year. Toothpaste is very easy to use. You just need to put 2 stickers on the 2 fronts of your teeth, wait for about 30 to 60 minutes and then take them out. Meanwhile, you can do other things without fear of being affected. Which of the above methods have you tried? Leave a comment below and remember to subscribe to the channel to watch other videos.